Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled "When the Neighborhood Outnumbers the Police" by Police Insider.
This woman just brandished a machete at a cop.
Step over here.
She was fighting. By the time I got to the parking lot, I seen them arguing. By the time I got a bad house, just on my way to the hospital. I cannot go through this. And all them bitches, as soon as they start fighting, the whole neighborhood jumped in it. I just moved over here and got around a whole week. Okay. And they jumped.
Baby, that's why you need to start doing Google reviews. Every time I'm finna go to a new restaurant, move it to a new apartment, whatever the case may be, I Google review it, the area, all of that.
Ma'am, let me go ahead and get your information.
Crime rates, flood rates, all the rates. They doing this in front of a cop?
Listen, ma'am.
She too gangster. Oh, hell no. She just put the baby on the ground with the diaper, and it's a kid right by. They bringing the babies to this. Oh, they bold. Ooh. 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 Damn, she beat the cop up in the girl.
Listen. I only can grab.
Uh-oh.
This is the moment when she took out a machete and pointed it at the officer.
Oh. They doing all this in front of the cops. They don't give no fucks. These Section 8 apartments. Oh, hell no. She would have been public enemy number one. Look at that big. Oh, no.
Listen. Listen, y'all finna get, yes. Listen. It's only two of us. Listen, if everybody can go back to their house.
That boy scared. Hey, this would have been the day I quit. This.
Listen. Hold on. So, I got someone else coming.
Machete on me, but they keep running up on me, man. I got a machete on me. I'm letting him know, Mike, get down.
Okay, all right.
Listen, son, I'm chasing behind him. They grabbing behind him. I'm trying to protect him. I'm telling him he better grab her.
All right, listen, we gotta have more people. Us two, cannot solve this.
Oh, you protecting them? Well, shout out to you, this. They ain't gonna fuck with you with that big ass knife.
This whole thing. We got more people coming, so we got it coming, all right?
Oh, man, you see how they surrounded you just then?
Yeah, I seen it. That's why.
No, he trying to stop me.
And the mamas out there with him is crazy. The mama's supposed to be stopping this.
Listen, can y'all all back up? Listen, can y'all just listen?
Are they trying to protect the officer or are they trying to get their rocks off? I'm trying to figure it out.
I know if y'all all just back up and leave. Okay, where y'all live? Where y'all sit?
Everything had been captured on the body cam. The police were not going to go easy on her.
Alright, so girl came up, we were trying to separate the fight. Comes up to me, says, you know what I got, pulls out a machete. We're trying to separate the fight. I back off. We just stopped. I know, just hold on. Just two people. It was about everybody out here, people starting to go to cars. That's like combat. Yeah. So I can't still two people to go 10 for 2 for right now. I'm ready to get at least a decent amount more. I think I lost. She was over there. Were you guys the ones that called us? You were?
Yeah.
She was. I was waiting at work on Channel Side.
Okay, that's fine. So what's going on?
My daughter, I text my daughter, told her I need to go to the hospital because my mama just moved. I got a bad heart.
Okay.
And so she sent my granddaughter over here to take me to the hospital. But before and then my other granddaughter ran downstairs and said, Christina finna fight. By the time I get right here, the girl, they done rushed them.
So
the whole neighborhood.
Right. So are you guys new here?
Yeah, I just moved in.
You need to move ASAP because grandbaby about to get grand jumped.
Yeah, I did a whole week.
Okay, so just so you know, everyone over here is together. So if you guys get in a fight, the whole rest of the time,
I already know this, but this started from No, they not coming back over here. This started from
the people that were fighting you don't even live here.
The little girl, yes, she do live here. I don't know where she live at. She lives somewhere over here. Yeah.
Okay, but she left with them.
Yeah, but my granddaughter, she don't stay over here. They came over here to pick me up, but they'll never come back over here no more.
Okay.
They never come back over here no more. But the
That is a good grandmother because I ain't know your granddaughter had ops like that. I don't know what she did, but grandbaby a thug.
point is,
We're just clearing it out now. I think at this point, the person who pulled Machete out on me took off. On you? Yeah.
this started with
Is she better at took off? She shouldn't be waiting around.
in Grant Park, her daughter. She's been beefing with my granddaughter for the longest. I don't know what they beefing for. I don't know. You know how these young kids
Is this the granddaughter she did before?
No.
This is my older sister.
Okay, can we just get everybody to go back inside?
Yeah, go.
Everybody has to go home.
They came.
Just chill for a
She
bit.
did come to my door.
Because
Grandma done moved to the ops neighborhood.
I don't want nobody out here, nothing happening. You know exactly what I'm talking about. There's too much violence already.
Shortly after, officers were able to locate the machete wielder.
A little bit, just now.
Just fighting. Shit just out of control.
What are they fighting for with all these kids around, all these babies around? What if they hurt one of these babies?
Get me off that camera.
Oh, my camera is on.
She don't want to be in that camera because of that hair. Look at that goddamn hair. Let me move out the way so y'all can see this shit. Lord, why she come out the house like this? Hold on. I got the camera locked. Look at this shit. That's why she talking about some don't put the camera on her.
Oh, yes, it is on. My bad.
Rocky, get in the car. Get in. Get in for to take your ass to the dog pound. Come on.
The dog pound.
Get in. Come on. Get in. I got the car. Okay.
You know what you did.
Oh, they arrested her?
I ain't doing nothing, but I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. What she did? What I did, officer?
Machete. I was what you did with the machete.
She
I
did.
was trying to help the officer.
No.
By coming up and telling me you know what I got and pulling it
Oh,
out.
no. I wasn't talking to you. No, I wasn't.
Do y'all think she should have got arrested for protecting the officer? Or do you think? What y'all think? I don't know. This seems a little weird to be doing this when she was trying to protect your life. See, that's why I don't be getting in people's business. I stay out the way.
Hold on, wait.
She's gonna check out. Let me go pull. We're not gonna move here.
Coco. Go.
You have anything on you? Can you stick me?
Samaya, Cole.
How old is she?
Get my phone.
My bad, sir.
Scott Dog.
How old are you?
Scott Dog. Cole. Cole.
She the real gangster in that whole situation.
Baby daddy. Cole.
What's your first name, ma'am?
Kiana, K-I-Y-O-N-A.
And she the most calm and relaxed.
What I'm on? O-N-A. What happened again?
What's the middle initial? I'll tell you. Give me 1 second.
M as in Mary. Cole. Get Cole.
What's the date of birth? Second.
Kim, why I gotta get in the car?
It's the whatever you did with the machete. We weren't here, but the officer is charging you. So
Wait,
he's
what?
gonna tell you his charge real quick, okay?
Apparently you waved the machete right in front of him.
No, where he at?
You gotta turn so she
No,
can
wait. Can I talk to him?
I got you.
Right here.
But you gotta turn so she can search her real quick.
Yeah, you can't be wielding no weapon in front of no cop. I don't care if you looking out for him or not.
I don't know. This is what I'm trying to figure out.
So otherwise you're resisting.
I'm not.
Diving in, so don't say she doesn't have it.
I grabbed that from somebody else and I was telling him to watch the girl.
The video. They said they got you on video.
That's low key fucked up.
Yeah, call CJ. I got the machete like I I ain't got it on me, though, but
She trying to break up the fight.
that man, they was surrounding the officer right here. I'm trying to help him. He trying to grab everything off. This is what I'm like, what?
Do you guys think the officer was wrong in this situation? Because if she wanted to slice him, dice him, she could. But she low-key was kept trying to tell him to watch his back. And I don't think, yeah, what y'all think about this?
Sit over there.
No, can you tell, can one of them get my phone out the house?
Yeah.
Can one of y'all get my phone out my house?
Where your phone at?
In the house?
In the house where?
In the kitchen. Tell her to lock the door.
All right, watch your foot. You can get that on later.
I ain't gonna lie. I hate not having my shoe all the way in my foot. I mean, my foot all the way in the shoe.
The woman was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer with a deadly weapon. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
I don't know about this one, y'all. How do you guys feel about that? If she wanted to slice and dice the cop, she could have did that, but she was trying to tell him to watch out. And he was trying to police, but his police wasn't policing at the time. Do you guys think she should have got arrested for waving a machete? Is machetes illegal? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content, as well as don't forget to hit that like, comment, share button, as well as it helps my channel out tremendously. Also, I did not know this, but every day I will be uploading members only content. You get what I'm saying? I did not know I had 10 members in my fucking members. You know what I'm saying? Shit. So we got to get it jumping. We got to get that thing pumping. I'm trying to get like 1 million videos in that thing too. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys for rocking with me. I really love you guys for this. See you guys at the next premiere right after this. And that's it, baby. We out.